Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another session of folding some origamis. In this session, we're going to be folding a windmill. So it's a windmill. It's actually a working windmill, so if there's enough wind, so you can see there's a fan above me blowing some wind, so it will spin, and ideally you get a thumbtack to pin the center together, but aerodynamically it will work. It will spin when you blow into it. Let me try. Well, okay, I don't have a proper thumbtack, just only have this sewing pin, but yeah, it's actually a working windmill. Surprisingly, they have this aerodynamic for a paper. So let's try doing this then. Okay, hold on, let me try something first. Okay, all right, so as usual, we're gonna start off white side up. Because of the paper, okay, I'm gonna start with the white side up. Always start with a triangle fold. I can see this pattern of a lot of origami starts with triangle folds, so well, it is kind of one of the basic starting guidelines. So okay, I'm gonna do usual. Oh, actually we don't need to do X. Do we need to do X? Yes, we actually need to do X. Okay, my bad. Alright, so at this point we already have the X. Now we're gonna just do opposite corners. So we're gonna fold one corner to the center. Okay, I hope that is center. I'm looking through the camera. Okay, do the other side. Okay, alright, so you got from here to here. We're gonna flip it. Okay, here we're gonna be folding half of this, so we're gonna fold something like that. So using the top as a guideline, we're gonna fold a book fold in half, so that this point aligns to this. Sorry, this point aligns to this point, and this point aligns to the center. So I'm gonna look off camera a bit, just gonna align it properly. Okay, just crimping it to make it secure. Do the same for the other side. Using the top as a guideline, gonna fold it in half. Sorry. Okay, gonna align the center to the center. Okay, hopefully the top is aligned properly. Okay, and crimping it. Okay, so we got this, and now we're gonna go back side. Wait, I think I'll go this way. Okay, then we're gonna fold half from here. So basically, using this as a guideline, this end to this end. So this one might slip, so you need to secure this part first and fold it. Okay, that might be just nice. Okay, do the same for the bottom side or the other side. Okay, okay, so from this point we go back to the front. Wait, wait a minute. Oh, it's actually back here. Okay, so it's actually we're gonna just do that for the crease. So wait, I think I got certain part wrong here. Okay, so it's like that. All right, so we're gonna do a squash fold. So we open from here, we open it up. Since we already have that line, we're gonna lift this flap and then push it down. So basically we're gonna pull this guy out. I think that's an easier way of doing it. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. So we're just gonna, well, if you can pull it, you try to pull it. Okay, this flap, just pull it out. Yeah, I think that's a better way of doing it rather than open and close. Okay, and you're gonna go to the back and you're gonna do for the white side actually. Wait a minute. Why is it not okay? Oh, okay, my bad. I always got confused which side is we need to fold. So again, after you, sorry for the blur, after you pull it out, okay, stick to the same side. Now you're gonna do the white part. This part, the white part might be you have to manually fold it a bit. Okay, and okay, I'm gonna just flip it like this and do the same. So this one doesn't fold automatically, so you kind of have to force folding it a bit. And well, that's it. This is your windmill. So you can see, if you look at from the side view, it's like this fan shape. So when the wind blows, whenever the wind blows, nothing really matters. Okay, sorry. Well, again, because of the bump, it will affect the wind flow. So sorry for the blur. Why is keep blurring? So it technically will turn. So I have the one here with a pin. So hold on, I have to be careful not to stab myself. Okay, here's the pin. Okay, so ideally it should turn in which direction? Yeah, so if the wind is blowing that way, it should turn this direction. I forgot how aerodynamic works, so yeah. So because of the bump, so the wind is going here faster, and because of there's less pressure on the bottom or something. So yeah, it's aerodynamics. So, but it's actually a working windmill for a paper origami. So I'm quite impressed actually. So yeah, the reason this have a big gap because I don't have like a thumbtack style. If you have a thumbtack, then that would be ideal, because this is like very small thing. So but yeah, if you have a stick and a thumbtack, you can put it on a stick, put a thumbtack, and then it's like wee, you can make it wee. Sorry. So yeah, that's it for. Should I keep the pin? No, this pin is too dangerous. Okay. So yeah, it's a short session tonight. So thank you for watching. The next session we're gonna do is what is the next? Oh, we're gonna do like a cup, like a small cup thing. I don't have a cup. Do I have a cup here? I don't think I have a cup here. I have a box. I don't have a cup. Oh well, okay. So we're gonna do a cup in the next session. So it might be another simple fold. So yeah, just look forward to it. Okay. So thank you for watching, and have a good night, have a good day, and bye bye.